Organic chemistry, a wonderful word from where we are going to synthesize many compounds, and many compounds have been synthesized and shown a wonderful medicinal activity, and many have come into the market as drugs. So in this organic chemistry, we are going to learn about polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons. Why? Why we have to learn? Because these compounds are maximum utilized as mothballs, plasticizers, or some dyes, manufacturing of various colorants, and all these purposes we are using these polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons. So coming to the examples, various compounds are naphthalene, anthracene, and phenanthrene. So these are the three basic compounds which are coming under this polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons. So this is naphthalene, where two benzene rings are fused together. This is anthracene. So now I will explain the word that is fused. So what is meant by fused ring system, or what is meant by isolated ring system? So isolated means it's a single nucleus. When we are talking about polynuclear, it contains more than one or two rings. So what is meant by isolated ring system and fused ring system? So in case of fused ring system, you can see two carbons are shared between the two nucleus or two rings. If you see isolated system, it is nothing but benzene. So benzene derivatives we have already studied in the previous sessions. Fused ring system is nothing but two benzene rings are fused together. You can see here there is common chain which contains two carbons. These two carbons are shared between these two rings. So under this fused system we have three examples. One is naphthalene, another one is anthracene, and phenanthrene. These are the three systems which comes under fused ring systems. So when you see the structure of this naphthalene, commonly in general way we will represent with this bonds, but in general you can see the structures. So you will get three resonating structures. We can write in this way, notate it as structure 1. We can also write in this way. Okay, also we can represent in this form. We can also represent in this way. So collectively, instead of writing 3, we can also represent in this way. So all these 3 are equivalent structures or resonating structures. So nothing but the bonds are moving. Okay, so when the bond goes to another position or shifts to another position, we will get another structure, that is structure 2, and this is structure 3. So these 3 collectively called as resonance hybrids or resonance structures. And in general way, common way, we can represent in this form the structure of naphthalene. Okay, then coming to the general formula. Coming to the general formula and the properties, these polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons or the naphthalene or anthracene, any compounds will follow almost similar properties to that of benzene, because they are nothing but benzene derivatives, and they follow 4n+2 rule, nothing but Huckel's rule, and usually they are unstable because of the high energy or because of the resonating structures. And coming to the substitutions or coming to the numbering, how to give numbering, I will talk about naphthalene first. So let us discuss about naphthalene. This is the first compound under this topic. Okay, so coming to this naphthalene, you can see these carbons are represented as alpha carbons and these adjacent carbons are beta carbons. Okay, so this is one kind of giving notation. Another kind of numbering or positioning is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are going in this direction and giving the numbering. So when this numbering or alpha beta notation is important, whenever you have substitutions, whenever there is a presence of different moieties or different functional groups like nitro, chloro, bromo, any kind of functional group is present, then you need to give different position. So for that purpose you have to represent either in the alpha beta notation or by means of numbering. So called as 1-naphthol, or also in the by means of alpha notation it is also called as alpha naphthol. Similar way, suppose let us suppose nitro group is present here and nitro group is present here. Then what is the name of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be written as 1,5 dinitro naphthalene. Okay, these are the general nomenclature or the general structural features of naphthalene.